When people start leaving Mumbai in panic, train stations become crowded, trains become packed. What plans do the railways have to prevent such a situation this time around? I have with me the Chief Public Relations Officer of Central Railway, Mr. Shivaji Sutar, and the DRM, Divisional Railway Manager, Mr. Shalabh Goyal with me. We are at the LTT where crowds gathered in the morning, but the railways have assured them that there is no need to panic. Let me first come to Mr. Sutar. Sir, I'd like to ask you, inside the station you have arrangements to manage crowds, but if a crowd gathers outside the station, it does become a challenge for you. How are you tackling this situation?
First of all, I would like to clear that apart from running the routine special trains, we are running additional summer special trains. And so far this time we have announced 88 summer special trains for the month of April. To avoid this chaos and rush at station, recently we have banned the sale of platform tickets at 6 stations from where the outstation trains are going of Mumbai division, like CSMT, LTT, Thane, Dadar and Kalyan station, where we have banned this sale of platform tickets so that unnecessary passengers should not come on platform and inside the hall. GRP, RPF and city police team and entire station team, they are working in tandem. They are guiding passengers to board the train and only confirmed passengers are allowed to travel. So we appeal people that they should also cooperate us and they should follow all the COVID mandated protocols.
So right now you see we are at the LTT, we are on platform number 1 of LTT and the platform is well managed. Now obviously this is a train that's not heading to Eastern India or UP, Bihar or Bengal. This is a train that's going elsewhere. But even when trains to UP, Bihar and Bengal are leaving, the railways say they have enough experience from last year and enough officers and police officers and travelling ticket examiners on the platform to ensure social distancing, COVID appropriate norms are maintained. Another thing that you see in this coach, this is an ICF coach. This is the old railway coach. This is of course the Utkrisht coaches which have been refurbished. But the railways also have upgraded during the lockdown a lot of the trains to LHB coaches, which means 8 passengers per coach, and generally the numbers of passengers per coach goes up. The LHB coaches are the new modern coaches that the railways are upgrading to. So a lot of work has happened also through the lockdown, and obviously now you're better prepared to tackle a rush like what happened last year. Now the situation is very different. This is a summer special rush. There's a festival rush, along with some people who worry that their livelihood might be affected, so they want to go back. The platform itself seems well managed. What are your concerns this time around? Big concerns that you have if there's a sudden spurt in the number of passengers who want to go out of Mumbai?
This time the biggest concern is the increasing COVID in the entire country, including the city of Mumbai. So for that, this time we are not running any unreserved coaches as we had done in the Shramik specials last time. This time we are running only the reserved trains, and this is one of the biggest lessons which we have learned from the last year, that we would be running only reserved trains, reserved coaches, and there will be no shortage of trains and coaches. This much I can assure the public of Mumbai, and through this medium I would take this opportunity to also tell the public of Mumbai that they need not panic at all. The trains are going to continue to run, and as many trains are required and as many coaches are required, railways would provide, and the train operations are going to continue. So public need not bother, they need not panic. They only need to go to the reservation center, get a reserved ticket and board the train.
So if I can walk with you while we talk, the railways is a massive service. I mean, the number of trains the railways run, unparalleled in the world obviously. But in India, the challenge always for the railways, we associate railway stations with crowd, with chaos, all of that. But that is slowly becoming a thing of the past, and this sort of experience on a railway station where less crowds is something that people don't often feel. Now, while COVID has brought it about, this is also the general aim of the railways, right?
Definitely, a lot of improvements have taken place over the years, in the past 4-5 years, in the amenities which we have provided at the railway stations, in terms of cleanliness, in terms of number of fans, in terms of the lighting. You must be aware that all these lights, whatever lights are provided, all these are LED lights, which are energy efficient. We have provided water coolers. The cleanliness has improved much better than before. The number of benches which we have provided, the condition of the waiting rooms, the eateries what are here at the stations, they are being told to pay the bills. So many things have taken place in terms of passenger amenities, provision of lifts and escalators. So railway is going to continue improving further. This much I can assure.
So, and obviously, for passengers who are worried that will I find a ticket, you did mention that the railways are keeping a very keen attention on the waiting list. So moment you see that the waiting list is increasing, you are increasing the number of trains, right? So the message for the passenger is that don't come to the station thinking you will board a train. Book a ticket and you will get a train.
Yeah, definitely. You have said the right thing. There is no shortage of number of trains. As soon as the railway sees that the waiting list is increasing, we announce a new train. For example, at LTT, today we have announced 23 number of summer specials, and out of these 16 or 16 trains to be precise are running towards the eastern part of the country. And as soon as we saw that there is a rush for Patna and Gorakhpur, we announced 2 more trains at a very short notice. So this thing is going to continue in the days to come as well.
Right. See, so that's what Mr. Goel is telling us, that moment there's a rush and the railways are keeping an eye on waiting lists, they will increase the number of trains. So obviously the key here for people is to go and book your ticket. If you don't find a confirmed ticket, be on the waiting list. And I'm sure nowadays a lot of railways has also upgraded technology, so you get SMSs. The railway, the IRCTC booking site also gives you options कि इस train में नई ticket मिल रही है तो इसमें मिल रहा है. All these services are also there. So people are being told, book a ticket. You will not get an unreserved ticket on a train, right?
Yeah. If someone boards without a confirmed ticket, then he is liable to be fined. So, and it is also not good for the other passengers as well.
Right.
So kindly board with a reserved confirmed ticket only.
So Mr. Goel and Mr. Sutar, thank you so much for joining us. You're watching this video on this YouTube channel of NDTV. Please click on the bell icon, subscribe. We're bringing you these exclusive visuals from Kurla station on NDTV. Mr. Goel and Mr. Sutar taking us through the arrangements the railways have made at stations. If I can ask my camera person to pan and show you unheard of scenes at Kurla railway station or LTT. It's quite clear right now that social distancing is being mentioned here. The trains are running but with proper management, and the railways are telling you once again, don't come here without a ticket. Book a ticket even if it's on a waiting list. The railways are keeping an eye on the waitlisted tickets, and if there is a wait list long enough for the railways to accommodate more trains, they're doing that. That's the message from the railways. So don't unnecessarily come and crowd at the station, and that's something that the railways are telling people. The railways are putting it out through their own systems. In Mumbai, at the Lokmanya Tilak terminus in Kurla, with camera person Sanjay Mandal, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep watching these videos that we are bringing to you on our YouTube channel.